Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Today we're going to be doing a practice for toned legs. So apart from the aesthetic aspect, having very strong legs, how does it benefit you? It gives you a very strong foundation, it improves your posture, it stabilizes your hips, it protects your lower back, and also having more muscles, because the leg muscles are larger muscles, having more muscle mass there will help you to burn more calories. So if you're looking to maintain your body weight and look amazing, then it's always good to pack on those muscles in your lower body. So let's get started with today's practice. So we're going to start standing. Step to the top of your mat. Start with your feet hip width apart. You can use blocks if you need for support. As you inhale, you're going to lift your arms up, join your palms above the head. Exhale, you swan dive down to the mat. Okay, from here, you're going to start by bending the knees first, getting your thighs on your belly and straightening. We do this 2 more times. Bend the knees, thigh parallel to the floor and straighten the knees. Keep the spine long, don't round your back. So use blocks. 1 more time. Inhale, you're going to bend the knees, sink your hip, and then you're just going to lift your arms parallel to the mat this way. Hold it here for 3, for 2, and 1. Exhale, fingertips down, straighten the knee, fold forward for a second. 1 more time. Inhale, bend the knees. This time you swing your arms up, go all the way up into Utkatasana for 3, for 2, 1. Swan dive down to the mat, straighten the knees. Inhale, take a step back with your right foot. Let the right knee stay off the mat. Stay here for a second. Drop the knee down as you exhale. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale down, inhale up. 1 more, exhale down, inhale up. Keep it here for 3, for 2, and 1. Place the palms down. Exhale, go directly back into downward facing dog. Next inhalation, you step the right foot forward between your palms. Left knee stays off the mat. Gaze forward. Exhale, knee down. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, and let's keep it there for 3, for 2, and 1. Place the palms, exhale, downward dog. Pedal your feet, relax. Next inhalation, you're going to bring the left foot forward again between your palms. From here, as you inhale, see if you can lift both your arms up. Nice high lunge. Back heel is lifted up for 3, for 2, belly drawn in, 1. Drop the back knee down, close but don't touch. Inhale, lift it up. Exhale, hands down. Take a breath here. Next exhale, you shift back into downward dog. Same thing on the right side. Inhale, right foot forward. Keep the back leg straight, lift the heel up. Inhale again. Lift your arms up. Hold it here for 3, 2. Welcome that burn in the thigh. Knee and ankle in one line. 1. Bend the back knee but don't touch the mat just for a second. Exhale, hands down. Take an inhale here. Exhale back into downward dog. Once again, pedal the feet. Release the legs nicely. Next inhale, you're going to lift your right leg up straight without opening the hip. Keep the hip squared and see if you can pulse here for 3, 2, 1. Directly swing your foot between your palms. Place the left heel down. Cartwheel your arms up into warrior 2. Inhale, right arm up. Reverse warrior. Exhale, come back to warrior 2. Inhale, center. Exhale, you switch your feet to the other side. Take a breath here. Exhale, warrior 2 on the left. Keep the hip open. Don't stick your butt back. Keep the tailbone tucked under. Back foot strong into the floor. Inhale, reverse warrior. Here I am not sinking into the back leg, very light touch. Exhale, back to warrior 2. Inhale, center. Exhale, palms to your waist. Bring your feet a little closer, toes turned out. Take an inhale here. Exhale, open wide squat. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down and let's pulse it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2. Again, no jutting the butt back. Keep the core in. And 1. Inhale, arms up, legs straight. Widen your feet. Exhale, full forward fold. Go down, hold your ankles. If this is too much, place your palms at the center on blocks and drop the head down. 1, 2, and 3. Walking your fingertips to the front of the mat again. Turn your right foot, left foot on the toes. Take the right foot back to plank position. Exhale, knees down, child's pose. Sit back, relax. Taking your palms forward again, moving forward, tuck the toes, exhale into downward dog. Inhale, you're going to lift your left leg up, pulse. 1, 2, and 3. Directly swing your foot between the hands. Place the right foot down completely. You repeat the same sequence. Inhale, come into warrior 2. Exhale here. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale and come back. Inhale, center. Exhale, switch to the other side. Exhale, move into warrior 2. Inhale, open up, reverse warrior. Exhale, come back. Take another inhale, switch sides again, and you're going to fold forward. Take your foot back, knees down, child's pose. Relax. Very slowly, you can roll up. Lie down on your back, keep the knees bent, palms on either side of the hips. Inhale, lift your hips up. Exhale, down. Inhale, hips up. Exhale, right leg up. Inhale, down. Exhale, hips down. Inhale, hips up. Exhale, left leg up. Inhale, leg down. Exhale, hip down. One more time. Inhale, lift the hip up. Exhale, leg up. Hold it there. Inhale, leg down. Exhale, hip down. Last side. Inhale up. Exhale, leg up. Inhale, foot down. Exhale, leg down. Hug the knees into the chest. Rock side to side. Release the lower back. Release your legs. Shake your legs out nicely. Forehead up. Nice tight hug. Then you let it all go into Shavasana. So that was your practice for toned and strong legs. So you have to counter these postures as well. So it's great to do a good quad stretch, also stretch out your glutes and your hamstrings once you're done with this practice. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.